In this video, let me show you how to add GIF or GIF in Figma. Want to add a GIF or GIF in Figma? Here's how you can do it. Start by selecting the rectangle tool and dragging out a shape. On the right side in the fill section, click the third option, Image, because GIFs or GIFs are treated as images files. Choose your GIF file and it will be placed inside the rectangle. You can preview it directly, but you can click the play button in the fill window to see the animation. Next, if you want to create a prototype, use the frame tool to create a frame and add some text like Paris. Once your frame is set, click the prototype button in the top right corner to create a clickable prototype. You can open it in a new tab and see if the GIF in action. And that's it. Now you know how to add a GIF in Figma. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.